Hello viewers, today we will learn about wildlife. Wildlife means animals, birds and plants that live in nature on their own without help from humans. They are found in forests, oceans, mountains and other places. Types of wildlife: terrestrial wildlife, animals and plants that live primarily on land. For example, mammals, birds, reptiles and insects. Aquatic wildlife, organisms that live in water environments including freshwater and marine ecosystems. For example, freshwater animals and marine animals. Arboreal wildlife, species that live primarily in trees. Examples like monkeys, sloths, koalas, tree frogs. Amphibious wildlife, animals capable of living both in water and on land. Examples: frogs, salamanders and crocodiles. Polar wildlife, organisms adapted to extremely cold environments. Examples: polar bears, penguins, seals and Arctic foxes. Desert wildlife, species adapted to arid environments with little water. Examples: camels, fennec foxes, scorpions, cacti. Grassland wildlife, organisms found in open grassy ecosystems. Examples: gazelles, zebras, prairie dogs and grasshoppers. Endemic wildlife, species unique to a specific geographic area. Examples: kangaroo, lemurs, Galapagos tortoises. Nocturnal wildlife, animals active during the night. Examples: owls, bats, hedgehogs, nightjars. Migratory wildlife, species that travel between habitats seasonally. Examples: monarch butterflies, whales, wild beasts, migratory birds. Savanna wildlife, found in tropical grasslands with scattered trees. These animals are adapted to both wet and dry seasons. Examples: lions, cheetahs, elephants, giraffes, warthogs. Rainforest wildlife, inhabitants of dense tropical forests with high biodiversity and humidity. Examples: jaguars, toucans, poison dart frogs, orangutans. Mountain wildlife, species adapted to cold temperatures, high altitudes and rocky terrain. Examples: snow leopards, mountain goats, condors, pikas. Wetland wildlife, organisms living in marshes, swamps or bogs where water meets land. Examples: alligators, herons, beavers, cattails. Endangered wildlife, species at risk of extinction due to habitat loss, climate change or human activity. Examples: giant pandas, rhinos, tigers, wakutas. Urban wildlife, animals and plants that adapt to urban areas and coexist with human development. Examples: pigeons, raccoons, squirrels, stray cats. Invasive wildlife, non-native species that disrupt ecosystems, often outcompeting native wildlife. Examples: cane toads, European starlings, zebra mussels. Island wildlife, species that have evolved in isolation on islands, often resulting in unique adaptations. Examples: Komodo dragons, flightless cormorants, Galapagos finches. Subterranean wildlife, creatures that live underground or in caves adapted to low light and limited resources. Examples: moles, cavefish, bats, earthworms. Keystone species, wildlife that plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. Examples: beavers, wolves, sea otters.